I recently had my portfolio torn to shreds by a photo editor, and that's okay. I asked them to do that. Ultimately, I think one of the most valuable things that you can do as an artist is have an outside perspective on what you should do to improve your work, specifically from people that see work all the time. In this case, I'm hiring photo editors to look through my portfolio and tell me what you could do better and what I can improve upon in order to get to the level that I want to go ahead and get to. So for this specific case, I was told that my backgrounds, I need to start including backgrounds and shoots on location if I want to shoot more commercial and editorial style work. So I chose to do that by including a new lens to my kit. I'm using the Sony 24mm f1.4 G Master lens to do that. Now, normally I shoot from 50mm all the way to 200, and I don't include the backgrounds in there. So shooting at a wider focal length is gonna require me to start including those backgrounds. And in this case, I'm not just shooting horizontally, I'm also shooting vertically. That's gonna help me elongate my subject and really include things like tall buildings in order to create interest in my scenes. Now, this specific lens forced me to look at things from a completely different perspective. And it gave me the ability to start trying new, different angles of camera perspective, like going down to the floor and shooting different angles there, and making sure that I'm photographing, let's say, close, but because I don't have any lens distortion, I'm able to include some of the ceiling and the floor, which is gonna create a very interesting style shot that still fits on par with things that I'm creating already and really captures the audience's attention. I think these images really have that level of impact. So with that, I want to challenge you. If you feel bored, you feel stagnant, you're not sure what to add to your portfolio, try capturing something that you haven't done before and try doing that in a unique perspective. If you have an old lens that you haven't used in ages, go ahead and pick that up. Try a different perspective, try something new. I encourage you to go out there and just try something new so it feeds the flow of creativity so you can start creating the body of work that you really want to. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you have an incredible day.